Sri Devi,
Yes, sir.
is this your first or second mock?
Second mock, sir.
Acha, yesterday only you had your first mock, na?
Yes, sir.
Sri Devi Kolacheva. You are from, briefly
Andhra
tell me,
Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. What is your degree?
My degree is economics, sir.
Economics. Yesterday, did I ask sufficient questions in economics?
Yes, sir.
Are you satisfied with that?
Economics, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Uh,
Banking, I have not asked.
yes, sir. Banking have not asked.
Please tell me, what do you understand by banking?
So, banking is a financial institution where it facilitates public or individuals or businesses to conduct transactions, and it provides credit facilities, and it promotes economic growth in the economy.
Good, very good, not bad. The correct definition is banking is accepting deposits from the public
Yes.
and making advances. But you told it in a different way. Nice.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Can you tell me what are the different banks we have in India from the angle of ownership?
Public banks, private banks, and we have financial institutions,
Mm,
and we have foreign banks, we have cooperative banks, we have regional rural banks, and we have development banks in
super.
India.
Investment banks also.
Yeah, investment banks also.
Good. Very nice. You told nicely.
Yes, sir.
NHB. What is NHB?
NHB, sir. So can
Yeah.
you please come again? N or MHB?
Nagpur. Harbor. Bombay.
Okay, sir.
NHB means it represents which bank? National Housing Bank.
Bo. Yes, sir.
National Housing Bank.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, can you tell me what are the works that are being done in Federal Bank?
Works in a federal bank. They, I'm not sure.
This is a simple question. What are the
They
functions of
give,
banks? They
uh,
accept deposits, that is
yes,
SB account, current account.
they provide loans, they offer deposits.
Hmm. They offer loans, accept deposits.
Yes, sir. And they
Hmm.
have bank account facilities, and they provide credit facilities.
Did you go through the website or not?
Yes, sir.
How many times did you go through?
Twice.
Yes, not sufficient. I am seeing it every day, still I don't understand it fully. Then how can you see understand it within 2 days, two times?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you go through that thoroughly to know what it is telling us?
Yes, sir. I will definitely.
Hmm? See, you must go through like this
Yes, sir.
and check up what each and every section is telling. Personal section, what is it telling? NRI section, what is it telling? Business
Yes.
section, what is it telling? All these things you must get to know.
Yes, sir.
Why have you not done that? See, they are telling so many things. Do it yourself. Feddy e-point, Feddy portal, then mobile alerts, so many things. Like
Yes.
that, they are telling you. Then pay. Pay means, what is that pay? Pay means transfer funds, pay your fees, bills. Then what is this? Invest in portfolio investment scheme, wealth management. Borrow means gold loans, credit loans, car loans, etc. Insurance, life insurance, general insurance. This boy is disturbing us. Shop means deals and others, vouchers. So you must go through all this
Yes.
step by step, understand what is it is telling.
Yes, sir.
Can you believe me? I am with it for last 3 4 years. Still, I am not fully conversant with everything
Yes, sir.
because there are so many forms available. What is anti-money laundering?
So anti-money laundering is so in that we have laws and regulations which are designed to prevent criminals from passing off funds they have gained unlawfully as their legitimate revenue.
Illegitimate revenue. They are claiming it as lawful, namely the illegitimate revenue. They say it is lawful revenue. So that is the
Yes.
thing. Anti-money laundering, there can be a better definition. Making black money into white money.
Yes, sir. In simplest form.
Anti-money laundering is an international web of laws, regulation, procedures aimed at uncovering money that has been disguised as legitimate income. Super. This definition is very good.
Yes.
So, uh, what are illegitimate incomes? Can you tell me?
So illegitimate income is where we don't pay taxes for the income we have already obtained,
Good. Then,
and doing frauds like corruption
hmm,
and including scams, or
super.
doing frauds in financial
Good.
activities like
Very
insurance or
good. Very
mortgage
good.
fraud.
Very good. Correct. Correct. Have you heard of any scam that happened to your close relatives?
So I haven't heard to my close relatives, but I have heard one where they have a small boy has installed a game in the phone, and within 10 minutes, they have lost all the account balance that they had
Acha? Oh,
just because of the game.
because he gave all details about the account.
Yes, sir. For payment purpose, he gave all the details, and within 10 minutes, all the account balances became nil.
See, there are a lot of complaints about this loan apps. What is the complaint?
So that loan apps, first of all, they give loan very quickly with just 5 minutes process. But later, they impose too much of interest on the public, whoever has taken loan from their app, and they try and threaten even after paying the whole amount. They'll impose unnecessary, unreasonable charges on the public, and they try to blackmail and threaten them emotionally to
ఏమమ్మా
pay.
ఇంత బాగా చెప్తున్నావే ఏమేమో వీడియోస్ అన్ని చూసావా?
Sir, this is actually the personal experience of my friends.
What
They
was
have
the experience?
My friends, when I was doing my MBA, they had taken loans from Slice and M-Pocket, such
Mm,
apps. So they
mm,
have taken a minimal amount of 5,000, 6,000, and they paid back in the given amount of time.
mm,
But they started charging extra amount, saying that they won't accept the money in that limited amount of time. If the date is 5th of the month,
mm,
from before 1 week, the portal won't be working for them to pay back the money.
mhm,
So it'll open again after 5 days, and they'll be imposing 5 day late fee, 5 day interest, and
mm.
they'll keep on harassing and blackmailing people like that.
Now, after talking to you, I could hear about a new area that they are, what I can
Yes.
say, disenabling the app for particular people. That also
Uh,
can be done by them. Oh,
They,
Baba.
yes, sir. They'll do that particularly for students, unemployed people, and even employed people also. But they'll block that particular dates of repayment that the app doesn't work. The payment options won't work at that time.
Super. This aspect I could not imagine till talking to you. Thank you. What is your
Yes,
name? Sri Devi.
yes, sir. Devi.
Sri Devi. What do you know about actress Sri Devi?
Actress Devi. She is also a Telugu person. She was first a child artist,
Hmm,
and I've watched her child artist movie also.
hmm,
She worked in most of the languages in India,
hmm,
and before she passed away, like 10-15 years before she passed away, she moved to Bollywood industry,
hmm.
and she worked mostly only in Hindi films, the Bollywood films.
She
As far
married
as
whom?
she married Boni Kapoor.
How many kids is she having?
She's having two kids,
Hmm.
Janvi Kapoor and Kushi Kapoor.
Both are daughters, na?
Yes, sir, both are daughters.
Good. Supposing somebody calls you and tells you, come on, you come and act in a movie for us. What will be your reaction?
Um, First of all, I would like to know about the role
No,
because
they
as
will say it's a very good role like Sai Pallavi's role. Sai Pallavi,
yes, sir. If it was a role like Sai Pallavi, I would definitely love to do it.
will your family permit you?
Yes, sir. If my dad knows it's a role like how Sai Pallavi acts,
Hmm.
he will definitely accept. He'll be the first one who encourages me to do it.
But you may have to go for other far away places for taking shooting, go to foreign places like Thailand, Singapore, and all that.
Yes.
Will you do that?
Yes, sir. My family is pretty supportive of whatever I do.
Acha, God bless you. Good.
Thanks.
How do you imagine yourself, supposing you are recruited in Federal Bank after 10 years? Will you
Yes, sir.
continue job after getting married also?
Yes, sir. Definitely. I will be
Supposing
continuing.
your husband is telling, no, no, you should not go for employment.
Actually, that's in the hands of my parents, sir. So they will be making sure that I'll marry a person who respects my interest and who respects all the things I do.
But,
So I don't think that type of a situation will be coming ahead.
but how much dowry is being given in your community
Our
normally?
community basically doesn't accept dowry, sir. Even my parents, my grandparents never had the concept of dowry.
Hmm.
They only had the cultural exchange, like very little minimal amount of culture exchange, like the Mangal Sutra for the girl
Hmm. Very good.
and
Which
clothes for the
community,
boy.
from which place?
Basically, my father is from the Godavari district in Andhra Pradesh,
Hmm.
settled in Vijayawada.
Hmm.
So
Minimum dowry is 100 pounds. And
we
yeah, yeah,
yes.
minimum 100 pounds. I
Yes,
know
sir.
that. If it is IAS, it must be more. If it is doctor, it will be more like that.
But
Anyhow, it is very,
until
it
yeah,
depends. Only those who are having are giving. There are thousands of people who cannot give even 1 pound gold also. That is also there. Both
yes,
sides are there. Yeah,
yes.
excellent. Now, that's okay. Tell me your role model.
Uh, I don't have a role model in particular, sir, but I always try to take all the positives and negative in all the people I see around me. So from each person, I try to learn from their positives and I try to learn from their mistakes so that I don't make them in the future.
Can you tell two people's names? What have you learned from them?
So
See the way you answered wrongly. I don't have a role model. You are unnecessarily involving yourself. This
yes,
cannot be the answer. This
okay,
cannot be the answer. You should tell some two names of people who are living and get over it. Why
okay, sir.
unnecessarily
Definitely.
you want to justify? I don't have anybody. What is this? Humbug.
Okay.
Tell me. Sri Devi.
Yes, sir.
You will
One
you
of the
will
role
get.
model is Ratan Tata, sir.
Ah,
Recently, the
he is no
passing of
more.
him.
Tell somebody who is alive.
Okay, alive. Nobody is alive. Uh, Actually, Narendra Modi is also PM. Narendra Modi is also an role model for me.
What would you like to learn from him?
Actually, the way he has transformed in his life, saying from a chai wala to becoming a PM,
Hmm.
and I actually admire the way he talks, the way he conducts speeches, and the way he motivates public.
Super.
So
Good.
yes, sir, and
See,
schemes and everything he has
it is
introduced.
better to tell some name like this instead of telling I don't have anybody like this and all.
Okay, sir, definitely.
What is the weakness you have?
Um, the weakness I have,
I know it's a very tough question. Please tell me what is the difficult situation you have faced?
so the difficult situation I faced is uh, getting through these bank jobs exams. So I've been working so hard from the past 1.5 year, but I'm unable to clear the mains and get through the interview. This is the
Very
first job where I cleared the mains and I've come for the interview.
best wishes. Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Sri Devi.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Can one? I will stop recording.
Yes.
Uh,